natin? Gagawa tayo ng ano? What's that? This is a salt. Sabi mo, salt. Very good. Anong gagawin mo today? Gagawa tayo ng ano? Clay. Oh, put it here. Put it here. Yan. Dahil pandemic na at mahirapan tayo bumili sa mall ng ano nagawa mo? Ng clay sa mall. Gagawa lang tayo ng DIY. Okay? Ito, water. No. Lalagyan niya ng water. Okay, put it here. Okay, okay. Oh, okay, okay. Sabi mo, okay. Okay, okay. Halo mo yan, ganyan. Halo. Yan, very good. Dirty yung plate. Natin yung dumi. Dirty. Okay, okay, halo. Halo mo yan. Ay, naku, may hair pa. Mix natin yung hair. Okay, okay. Halo mo, baby. Galing ng baby ko. Halo-halo na. Baby, dali. Halo mo mabuti. Mix, mix. Okay. Kasi matunaw yung sorte na baby ganyan. Oh, very good. You're doing great, baby. Let's this. Faster. Faster. Oh, galing talaga. Oh. Faster like this. Game. Put it there. Game. No more. No, hindi na. Ito na, wala na yan. Yan. Halo, mix. Mix. Galing mo. Yan. Kaya gawin kitang busy para ito magulo. Talon. Hindi. Okay? Wait lang. Smile ka. Smile. Hello. Dirty? Sabi mo, hello. Oh, let's... See? O, tanggalin natin yung dirty. Tanggalin natin yung dirty. Okay. Pa, wait lang. Mix pa. Say hi. Hi. Anong ginagawa mo? Ate Yara, matmaton.
Ay, gawa na sa ano nyo. Baka mabasag yung ano.
Wala ka mo to. Bakit, Yara? Sabit lang, hindi kita makikita. Pasilip. Ha? Si Matmat nagagawa ng clay. Hi, Ate Yara. Tingnan mo ako. Ay, Ma, pahingi ako ng kutsara, Moy. Say hi. Hi. Tingnan natin, natunaw na ba yung Natunaw na? Malapit na, baby. Hey, hello.
Ganun.
Baby.
Ano ginagawa niya?
Gagawa kami ng clay.
Guys, baka masunog yung...
Clay. Play-doh. Huwag mo nang gano'n.
Okay.
Hindi, Play-doh lang. Kasi pinaglalaro yung tamburan ni Magmayara na parang clay. Gumagawa nga kami ng clay. Kailangan namin matunaw yung... para hindi na ako bibili kasi sana ako. Baby. Sige na. Malapit na. Ay! Nalaglag. Malapit na maging clear yung water. So, ibig sabihin, almost natunaw na yung salt. So, ano pa yung ginagawa namin ni Baby Matmat? Gumagawa kami ng, anak? What are we doing? We're doing clay. Hey, say clay. Clay, sabi mo clay. Huwag mo yung tikim. That's dirty. That's salty. That is so salty. Alat yan. Tira ka talaga. Egg. Oh, wow! Fish yun, baby fish. Look at the fish. Wow. Hi, ate. Hello. Okay. Tapos na, baby. Gagawa kami ng... ang gagawin natin? Wait lang, baby.
Spider-Man cake?
Now, we will put the 1 cup flour, okay? Baby, oh, put it there. Okay. Okay? And then, no, baby. Let's mix like this.
A few moments
Product.
later.
Finished products, you know, the clay dough. Baby, no. I see that. Baby, look. What's that? Eee. Don't put it there. Product. Okay.
Wow! What's that?
What's that, baby? Daddy, eat. You eat this, Daddy. Sabi mo. This is... What is that, baby?
Wow!
That is a clay.
Bake mo, baby.
We made it, Daddy. We
Nasa ilong
made
yan.
it. Mats. Hi.
Hi ka doon. Hi.
Hi. Come. Hi.
Tingin kay mami, tingin.
Tingin ka kay mami. Hi, baby. Woo! Say, yay! Yay!
What's that?
What's that? Clay.
Pati
Wow.
ilong mo.
Our homemade clay. Our Happy? Happy ka, baby? Happy? Shh. Happy? Happy. Happy daw siya. Oh, wiggle ka muna. Happy. Oh, wow. Pagod at nagutom siya. Pagod ikaw? Baby? Pagod ka? Gutom ka? Look at his hands, so dirty pa. Oh, dirty pa. Later, take a bath na ikaw, ha? Okay? Okay. Like this, baby. You make ubos the dede. Ubos. Bye-bye! Thank you for watching. Sabi mo.